Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch off and removing the bands so you have unblocked edges. Use a plastic pry tool, thin screwdriver, and a small suction cup. These reduce damage. Place the watch face down on a soft, non-static cloth to avoid scratches. This also stabilizes the device. Once set, identify the seam or tiny notches around the back cover. Make a small gap with the suction cup, then insert the plastic pry. Gentle leverage prevents warped frames and broken snaps. Next, you work the pry tool around the perimeter to find where clips or screws hold the back. If you find screws, swap to the correct driver and remove them carefully, keeping track of their sizes. Once screws or seals are cleared, alternate prying opposite sides slowly. This equal pressure prevents bending the case. Make sure to feel for a soft give. That's the clips releasing. Once one section opens, continue around. Lifting steadily reduces risk of popping internal components loose. Finally, lift the back cover gently and pause to inspect for ribbon cables or a sealing gasket. You must not yank if you feel resistance. If a ribbon cable is attached, unclip it with a plastic tool to avoid tearing. Clean or reposition the gasket before closing to preserve water resistance. If the back won't budge, apply gentle heat with a hairdryer on low for 30 to 60 seconds to soften adhesive. If still stuck, stop and consult a repair shop to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.